Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make vanilla cupcakes. This recipe makes about 12 servings and it is super fluffy, light, and moist. Grab a bowl and add 1 1/3 cup of cake flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a quick stir with a whisk for about 30 seconds so all the ingredients are combined. In a separate bowl or mixer, grab 1 stick of unsalted butter and 1 cup of sugar and cream this together for about 5 minutes. Your mixture should have turned a pale white color. Now we're going to add our vanilla extract. I'm using a vanilla bean. You can use either. I use 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla bean, or you can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to add my eggs one by one until they're completely mixed throughout. Be sure to scrape down your bowls constantly after each ingredient is added. Grab your bowl that we mixed in the beginning with the dry ingredients and add 1/3 of that mixture to the bowl. We're going to alternate between the dry ingredients and the 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Once that's fully mixed, you're going to want to add your 1/4 cup of the buttermilk. Now back to the dry ingredients, add 1/2 of the mixture into the bowl. Add the remaining 1/4 cup of buttermilk to the bowl. Add the remaining dry ingredients into the bowl. Make sure this is fully mixed. After this is mixed, scrape your bowl and make sure nothing was missed. After you scraped your bowl, give it one final mix with the mixer. Grab a cupcake pan and line your 12 cups with whichever color you like. I'm using white. And then I'm going to fill my liners 3/4 of the way. I'm also going to show you how I fill my batter. I use a cookie scooper and I put 1 1/2 scoops into each cup. So now I'm going to take my cookie dropper and grab 1 scoop in each of the liners. And then I'm going to go back and add 1/2. And that should give me about 3/4 of the way. You can also pour yours or use an ice cream scooper. Put this in the oven on 350 degrees for 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. So here's the final result. The cupcakes were super light, fluffy, and moist. You can pair them with an American buttercream or cream cheese frosting. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.